Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to see you again. And now we will be talking about something dark. It's not about how life being tough on you. No, we will not. We will not talk about that. And we will be talking more about how we can get the darker tone of one specific color. So let's say in Figma you have this kind of red and you want to get the darker tone out of this. So how do you get that? Um, Based on how I play around with Figma, I have some tips for you. The first one is by playing with the hex code. So there is this Easter egg. You can press shift down, something like this, and you can get the darker tone. And if we want to see it closely how it is done, we can check from here and try to investigate from here. Let's see the movement from the point in here and then try to shift down again. We can see that it moves like a curve. Yeah, so that's the idea. If you press shift down, it will go darker, and if you go with shift up, it will go to the bright side. And we want to go to dark side because it's the 4th of May the 4th be with you. And just to make everything match with the theme. And then another way aside from the shift down button, we can also trick in here by pressing the plus button. In here automatically it will show the not it will show it will add um, color layer, which in this case the default one is black with 20% opacity. And then you can enlarge it if you want to make it darker, or yeah, it will be pure black if this one is 100%. Yeah, but let's keep this as a 20% as default. My friend also tried this trick. If you want to go darker, instead of changing the value, you can add more color. And if you want to go to the bright side, to the light force, you can just change it up here and then go up here. But if you are too lazy, you can click in here, and we have this tree line, and then from here we can select and then copy paste, so it becoming brighter and brighter, but more pale, I guess. And yeah, that's the second step on how to go to dark side. And then another one, let's go. So it's still the same. The trick is that by adding more color layer, but instead of going with normal blending mode, we can play around with the blending mode. So in here the value is normal, we can change that into darken, multiply, plus darker, and color burn, and also overlay. It will provide a different characteristic based on the color base, how it will react, and the result may show differently if you play around with other colors. But yeah, this one is one of the tricks that we can use to get the darker tone with different output. So yeah, so aside from playing with the opacity, we can also play around with the blend mode as well. This one is too vibrant, like a blood. Tone it down. Yeah, this looks nice. So yeah, to be more neat, let's make a comparison. Yeah, set of different kind of darker red in here. And yeah, so the next one will be the manual one, where we try to play around with this area. So we can go on the brightness level. This one is saturation and brightness, and this one is hue. We can play around with brightness to get darker color. And yeah, and then you can pick which kind of dark that you want, the brave one or the pale one. It's more grayish. Yeah, but I think we can go with bright, not bright, vibrant dark. And then aside from that, we can also play with hue. So it depends on the color that you are picking right now. You can slide on the left or right and then see which one makes the color darker. So in this case, I will try to slide it to the right. It looks kind of lighter. Then we try to move it, and it looks kind of darker. The reason is that because when it slides into the left side, which is in this case, it will um, go to from cold, warm color to cold color. So um, it will look more grayish and tend to look darker. So yeah, we have some ways to get into the darkness with some tricks from Figma. Hope this one is helpful. And yeah, I don't want you to subscribe because the content is still trash. Yeah, but that's it for now. Thank you so much and see you on another session. Bye.